All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to log in to Edpuzzle. So first thing that you need to do is go log in first. You don't need to sign up because you actually already have an account. For this particular uh, exercise right now, because I'm showing you guys how to log in uh, and become a student on my classroom, which is the DMS, Do It Middle School classroom, you're going to choose I'm a student. And so here, you don't need to choose any of these because, like I said, we are already part of this program. We already have paid for this account, so therefore we are allowed to go in and sign in as a teacher. Now, from here, you're going to be a student. I am a student now. So what's going to happen now is that I was invited, or you will be invited for this. And what you do is you're going to go to join a class, join a new class, you hit the plus, and then the code that you will use is this, warvidu. That's the code that you will use. And you find that class, and you found it, DMS staff, and you will join that class. And there it is. Now anything that I assign on this class, you guys, anything that I assigned in this as a teacher, you guys will be able to see. So that's how it was. So I went again. It was very simple. I went to the plus sign and then join a new class and then type in Warvido. So Warvidu is what it was. This was the code. Worvidu. And that's all you need to do. And then from there, I will next time the next exercise will be is once we'll move next steps later. But right now, that's all I need everybody to do, all the teachers to do, and you guys will implement this with your own teams. Thank you. Have a good day.